Here we are again. We have with us the new Flip 5 from JBL. USB Type-C, different indicator, Flip 5, you can see it here. Different color, the logo, this new party boost symbol, plus, minus, next, Bluetooth connection, and this is the Flip 4, the previous model, which is still on the market. Flip 4, you see it's the cover here for the Type B micro USB charging, mini jack. The Flip 5 has no mini jack input for analog connections, and it's already connected. So they call it flip because if you put it here, it goes in a certain position. That's why the name flip comes from. You flip it, but goes to a certain position, you see, like this. Now we start with some tracks to play. Let's start from YouTube. To see what's going on here. Okay, this one here. There are two step drivers here with Flip 4. Let's move to Flip 5 now. We had enough of Flip 4. Flip 5, first we connect it. Bluetooth, Flip 5, we press this. You see here. We are connected. Flip 5, as you can see here. Flip 4 and Flip 5, and that's another devices too. So Flip 5, let's check the sound of Flip 5 with the same track. So Flip 5 sounds more powerful than the Flip 4. And if we measure all this with this instrument here, Flip 5, we can see back to Flip 4, Flip 4, Flip 4, 4, 4, 4, here we are, Flip 4, we're waiting for connection, it's connected. Let's check the Let's go back to flip 5. Flip 5. Back. Just we wait for the connection. Flip 5. Connect it. Go.